I'm glad that you brought up the word sumbong, no? Kasi that's identified with you and your family, no? Your brothers, no? I had the chance to work with Mon when I was in the Inquirer. Of course, Senator Raffy, and then you. The three brothers, ang branding nyo is justice, eh.
Exactly.
No? Is this the kind of justice that you were after when you were doing your programs? And now you're in the Senate. Paano ba, how do you apply yung brand of justice nyo now that you're Blue Ribbon Chair?
It's kind of it's hard. Kasi parang especially in the Blue Ribbon, I'm the chairman. Parang you have to do what you have to do. I mean, without fear or favor.
Okay.
Yung doon ka naramdaman, yung first committee namin na report of Senator Lacson, may mga kasamahan kami. So, I signed it. Yung mga kasama ko na hindi pumirma, dapat sila ang tanungin. Eh, may kinakatigan ka ba? Ba't di ka pumirma? Ako, I signed. Ang tingin tuloy sa akin ng ilan, real talk lang tayo dyan, ano? Eh, thinking na, bago ka lang dito, hindi ka marunong makisama. Eh, makisama ka. Eh, trabaho ko eh. I was explaining to them, I'm the vice chair, come on. And then number 2, kilala nga kami na banat ka ng banat. Pagkatapos yung kasama mo, hindi mo mabanatan, eh, kita mo naman yung mga ebidensya. Then bahala na yung court, di ba? Hindi naman kami, we're not here to prosecute. We're here to gather evidence, etc. And then give it to the ombudsman. Kasi ang trabaho lang ng Blue Ribbon is in aid of legislation.